In this video, I'm going to show you how you can buy a fully branded Shopify dropshipping store in 10 minutes. I'm on catalyst.com. So catalyst.com is my e-commerce platform that allows you to set up an e-commerce website for absolutely free for the first 7 days. So head on to catalyst.com, click on start a free trial, and you're going to get 7 days that you can start your store and start testing out products from AliExpress. And once a product works out for you, then you can pick a paid plan and start selling using Facebook ads. So how to find a dropshipping store that you can buy? The first thing you need to do is go to Google and search for Shopify Exchange. This is a marketplace that has been put forward by Shopify, whereby Shopify stores and other businesses can be sold here. So you're going to go with the first result here that says exchangemarketplace.com. You can also search for businesses here, but it's not going to give you the exact category you want. So you want to go to browse. You're going to go to business type. Then here in business type, you have dropshipping stores, we have established businesses, we have inventory, we have Obalo stores, we have also print on demand stores, we also have retail stores. So you want a dropshipping store, so you're going to click on dropshipping. Then you're going to give it some time to load there. Then we have here dropshipping websites for sale. So find websites that are set up with dropshipping enabled. These listings are ready-made dropshipping businesses that have integrated to sell through established wholesale vendors like AliExpress and fulfillment by Amazon. Browse a variety of product niches ready. You can dropship across the globe. Now these dropshipping stores have already been set, so you just plug and play, you just purchase and start selling. So some of them do also have some dropshipping agents, so it's the easiest way possible to start purchasing a dropshipping store. You're going to scroll down and look for a store that is within your price range, so you know what price range you're willing to buy a store. But for a store that is selling for around $1,000 to $2,000, and it's also been listed in terms of what the average revenue, the average profit, and the inventory value, so you can try and calculate which price range you want to get in, so that you can buy a store that is going to be profitable for you. So you want to scroll, and the thing I would say is just check for a store that already has these numbers highlighted here. So these numbers will be gotten straight from Shopify, so the seller cannot maybe try and give you figures that are not exactly true. So you want to just scroll and see if you can get a business that is within your price range. So you want to view all businesses so that you can see all the businesses. And remember, as you scroll down, you're going to get even more expensive businesses here. So we want to just scroll and see one here. So we have here, it's called Jetlag Lava. So it has an average revenue of 3.9k and 2,000 in an average profit. So some of them have private listed their listings here, so you'll not be able to see the listing itself. So I believe they're trying to protect the product in which they are maybe dropshipping. They do not want a number of people to jump into this product as well. So just scroll until you come up with a website that really looks favorable for you. So for me, I'll just go to the second page. I find that most hidden gems are in the second page here. Now this one is a good one that is in the pet niche. So you want a website that is already in a niche that you know is already working for other stores, and you know you're not going to struggle in terms of selling. It says the pet niche is in Scandinavian country, consists of customers with strong purchasing power. They tend to buy anything and everything for their pets. The number of pet owners also increase every single day, and there will always be customers. Now this is very, very true. So in terms of average revenue per month, this store is doing 11.3k, so that is $11,300. So, and it's also averaging a profit of 3.1k, that is $3,100. So it seems like it has a good profit margin that is within the price range for most dropshipping stores. It's selling for around $7,000. So you want to check this, click on view listing. The good thing about purchasing an already existing store, it already has a firing pixel. Now by a firing pixel, this person has been running a number of ads, and he has been able to collect some data on this store, and this is already saved in the Facebook pixel. It has the average sessions per month, that is 6,304. And remember, these figures here are provided by Shopify, so there's no way the person listing this business is going to maybe list figures that are incorrect here. So let's see why this business was started. Then you also want to check why this person is selling the business. I came across a YouTube video about how a 17-year-old made thousands of dollars every day, and I was immediately interested in making money online whenever you want, so wherever you are. So this one of a few successful brands that I have started during the last couple of months. So the reason I'm selling this business, I've decided to sell this brand since I am going to try social media marketing agency with a friend of mine. So we have talked about doing something together, and we decided that a marketing agency was the best fit for us. Therefore, I don't want to focus on something else while he goes 100% on the marketing agency. So now that's a valid reason to sell the business. So you want to check for these reasons, because you do not want a reason whereby somebody is selling the business because the store has failed. What's involved in running this business? As mentioned before, there are only a few things I do during the week: run Facebook ads, answer a few emails, outsource most of the emails, make sure that my agent has stock, and balance for fulfillment cost and product research to find pet niche products. The business was founded 4 months ago. Time to run this business approximately 7 hours per week. So as you can see, no huge constraints in terms of time. So if you are just working 7 hours per week and you are doing 11,000 in revenue, so maybe if you can focus on this business entirely and maybe do a 40-hour week like normal businesses here, you'll be sure to push this revenue up to $40,000 if you just put in the work and maybe scale on the ad spend, and also try to look at the business itself and see what you can cut. Here again, the traffic and performance: $11,300 in revenue, 6,304 sessions, 3,136 profit per month. Then the profit margin is around 25%. That is if you exclude other expenses plus the value of the inventory. So average sales per month is 364. Now this is what I said: if you can push on the ad spend, if you can increase the number of hours you're doing in this business, you'll be able to increase these sales up to 600, which is well doable. So in terms of the entire revenue this store has done, it has done $45,210 in revenue for its entirety. That is from July. Then in August seems like it was the highest month. Then it dipped in September. Then in October again it has picked up. So as we head into the festive period, maybe you'd want to jump on this because many people will be purchasing items for their pets, so you'd want to jump on this. And here is what I mentioned: the revenue data comes directly from Shopify and cannot be edited by the seller. So what you're seeing here is actually what is legit. So the total traffic for this store in its entire lifetime is just around 25,219 visits. So this as well comes from Shopify. Then in terms of the expenses, now this is what I was saying is eating into maybe the profit as well. So we have a Shopify plan that goes for $29 per month. Then we have the domain, which goes for $27 a year. Now these are the costs I'm saying you can reduce. So in terms of domain, I believe you can get a domain for around $15 max. We have a number of sites. So if you can go to interserver.net, you can get a domain for $7 and you can renew it for $11 every single year. So I've shared a link in the description for interserver whereby you can purchase hosting. You can also purchase your domain for absolutely cheap. So $27 is a little bit on the higher end, so you can reduce on this. It's going to save you an extra $10 a year. So the next one is Looks plus the Beautify. So now this is going for $9 a month. Now this one as well, to pull reviews, you can use other free apps that offer an entirely free plan. So we have some apps that allow you to pull reviews from AliExpress and Amazon, and you can get them for absolutely free. I'm going to share a link in the description of a free tool you can maybe add to your Shopify store, and you're going to be able to pull reviews for absolutely free. Remember, if you want to get more sales, you can scale this ad spend here. So you can increase this ad spend to say $6,000 and you're going to see a jump in the profits the store is able to provide. Do we have physical inventory? Not included. Do we have a logo and branding assets? So he says, I'll send a Google Drive file with all logos, default, transparent, favicon, social media logo, and images used for the Facebook page. So personal support after sale, I'll provide personal support for 10 days after the transfer of assets has been made. I'll support with any questions there might be when it comes to running the store, for example communication with the shipping agent or campaign setup. Then we have a domain, then we have a product photos, the social media with 14 subscribers. Then we have suppliers. Here I've worked with a shipping agent who provides 10-day shipping including weekends and holidays. I am more than happy to provide this contact for you to keep sending orders with her. She's already connected to the store, so the fulfillment will keep being outsourced if you are interested. Then we have a mailing list. So remember, email marketing is king, and since we have a mailing list here of 760 subscribers, these are people who have probably purchased in this store, or they added items to the cart and did not eventually make the conversion, that is complete the purchase. So you can maybe send them emails trying to retarget them, or trying to maybe ask them to head back into the store and complete the purchase that they left on their cart. Let's just check out the website here. The domain here is where you're going to struggle. So since this is registered in Sweden, so you can switch this domain. You can check Interserver. You're going to get a domain for $7 for a new domain and $11 to renew the domain. Seems like it's a general store that is in the pet niche. What you can do to this store is you can try and improve it. Maybe you can have different products in different product pages. As you can see, we have this product here appearing in the home page, and you should be able to increase the value of the store. I'm going to share a link in the description if you want to go to Exchange Marketplace and check out stores that I recommend, so that you can check them out, and if you are interested, you can go ahead and buy these stores. So that's the easiest way to buy a dropshipping store in this current year. So you remember, if you also want to start a free store, head on to catalyst.com, which is my e-commerce platform, and you can be able to start a free dropshipping store for absolutely free for the first 7 days, and you can test out products from AliExpress, and once a product works out for you, then you can start selling this product as you start a paid plan on Catalyst. So a paid plan starts from $29, so it's absolutely cheap, and it's the easiest way to start a dropshipping store.